What do you think of the game today? Great result.
Yeah, really happy with it. Obviously, it's difficult for them to come here. They had a few issues before the game. They got here, and credit to them that they tried their best, but ultimately we were the top side. Said before going into the game, I wanted to go in as the A side. I wanted to kill the game within the first 5 minutes, and I think we did that quite easily. So yeah, we kept our professionalism until the end, and I was happy with that.
Yeah, it was a great game. Shame about the clean sheet, but what do you think about the defensive performance?
I think on the whole, defensively was good. They didn't really pose much threat, so it was kind of an easier game for our defenders. But in futsal, moments like that happen. It's so fast paced. If you keep a clean sheet, it's a bit of a miracle. So just a lapse of concentration, I think, from a set piece, I'm pretty sure, and that's how they scored. It's unfortunate, but that's futsal. That's how it goes.
Absolutely, it was a high-scoring game for the home side, and it's difficult to obviously pick out a standout performer. But if you had to, who would it be?
I'd say most goals was Ollie Corbett, but I'd have to give it to the main man Maka. His composure, his work rate. He's come on leaps and bounds at the start of the season. Obviously, came in as a fresher, and he's worked so hard ever since. So I'd say Maka in total, just keeping his head, keeping the composure, and scoring some good goals as well.
As you said before, the game turned out a bit heated at the end. Do you think that helped the boys?
I think it did, yeah, and I think it's testimony to kind of the team we've created here and the kind of family atmosphere we've had. I feel that there was a pretty poor incident that happened regarding one of their players to one of our team, and that can't run in Bucks and in uni, and it's disappointing to see those things happen. But to keep our heads level, work as a team, backing each other up, supporting our team, I think really helped, and it just spurred us on to get a few more goals, just really to help out the team.
Yeah, I agree. Finally, how do you use today's performance moving forward?
Yeah, I mean, like I said previously, we want to go into being the A side in teams. So being comfortable on the ball, not having, maybe in seasons prior we didn't really have a lot of the ball, and we were defensive quite a lot. But now I think we can play with confidence. I think results like that today shows we can score goals, and I feel that we just need to carry that on. Obviously, unbeaten going into the new year, carry that on, and hopefully win the league quite early on.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.